The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is one of the most distinctive automobiles of the post-war era, combining German engineering with Italian design. Its history begins in the early 1950s, when Volkswagen sought to expand beyond the utilitarian Volkswagen Beetle and create a more stylish image car. The project emerged through collaboration with Carrozzeria Ghia and Karmann. The concept originated when designer Luigi Segre secretly acquired a Beetle chassis and developed a prototype in Turin. The design incorporated influences from American stylist Virgil Exner, particularly his Chrysler concept cars. After presentation to Wilhelm Karmann, the model was approved by Volkswagen in 1953. Production began in 1955, marking the company's second passenger car after the Beetle. The original Type 14 Karmann Ghia was offered as a 2+2 coupe and later as a convertible. It used Beetle mechanicals, including an air-cooled, rear-mounted engine, but stood out due to its hand-built body. Panels were shaped and welded manually, increasing cost but ensuring a refined finish. Early engines produced modest power, eventually reaching 1.6 liters and about 60 horsepower. Despite limited performance, the car gained popularity for its elegant appearance and driving character. In 1962, Volkswagen introduced the Type 34 variant, based on the Type 3 platform. It featured a more angular body, improved interior space, and higher price positioning. It also offered advanced features for its time, including a power-operated steel sunroof. However, high costs and absence from the United States market limited its success, and production ended in 1969. A later Brazilian variant, the TC Type 145, continued the concept in South America from 1972 to 1975. The Karmann Ghia underwent gradual updates rather than radical redesigns. Changes included improved lighting, larger bumpers, and safety modifications for the United States market. By the early 1970s, stricter regulations and evolving consumer expectations reduced its competitiveness. Production ended in 1974, when Volkswagen shifted toward modern designs like the Volkswagen Scirocco. In total, over 445,000 units were produced in Germany, with additional production in Brazil. Today, the Karmann Ghia is regarded as a classic, admired for its timeless styling rather than performance. It remains a sought-after collector's car, symbolizing a successful fusion of design and engineering from three different automotive cultures.